Welcome to WebStylePress. Google offers free fonts and free web font icons. If you notice at Google Fonts page, there's another link, Icons. These are free to use, flexible web font icons like Font Awesome. These icons have two flavors, material symbols and material icons. I created a video on these icons, but I did not show you how to use them. In this video, we are going to learn how can we use material symbols in our projects and how can we use material icons in simple web-based projects. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing you similar content on this topic. Likes, comments help me understand which content do you like. Okay, back to the topic. First, if you want to use Google font icons in design tools like Figma, they have got Figma plugins like this material design icons and material symbols. From Figma, you can download and install these plugins inside Figma. Link is also here. And for the web, material icons are available in 5 styles and a range of downloadable sizes and densities. The icons are based on the core material design principles and metrics. From Materials icon page, click at any icon, choose density, size, color, and download the icon in SVG format or PNG format or get the code. These icons are available for multiple platforms like web, Android, iOS, and Flutter. Styles include outlined, filled, rounded, sharp, and two-tone. To use these icons in website, we've got instructions here. We can link this CSS in our HTML page and then use this code. Icon is not showing up because class is material icons outlined, but style sheet that we linked is for material icons. So we remove the outlined and here is the icon. So if we see this CSS file, this CSS has got font face containing font file and some CSS. This is why it is called font icon. Icons are in font file. So we have linked one CSS file. There are other CSS options as well because icons are available in other shapes as well, like outlined, filled, rounded, sharp, and two-tone. Those additional CSS files are here. And if you notice, there's only icon family name difference. Like this is material icons outlined, material icons sharp, material icons two-tone, and material icons round, not rounded, round. In our CSS, we are using bigger font size to show bigger icons. So here is how we use these icons in HTML. For regular or filled icons, we will use class material icons and then the name for the icon. Like this is gears icon, its name is settings. So here it is settings. Regular is filled icon that needs material icons class and material icons font family. We use class name material icons to style the icon and text inside span determines the icon type. Similarly, here are more icons using material icons class name. These are filled or regular material icons. Now for outlined, class will be changed from material icons to material icons outlined. These are outlined icons. Filled icons, outlined icons. Then we have got rounded icons. And in these, class will change to material icons round, not rounded, round. These are rounded icons. And round is in the curves. Icon curves or edges are round, not the whole shape. This is to be remembered. Then we have got sharp icons using material icons with the class material icons sharp. Sharp means sharp edges or sharp corners of icon. Regular, rounded, and sharp kinda look similar, but these are not. If you look closely, you see these icons have got sharp edges. Look at this gear icon. And this gear icon has got rounded edges. That is the difference. And we have got two-tone icons. That will need class material icons two-tone. These are two-toned icons. And CSS that will be required is material plus icons plus two plus tone. That is the family, icon family. Two-tone icon has two shades of same color. So this is how we use material icons. These material icons. Just get the icon name from library, link appropriate CSS and use the icon. Regular CSS properties like color and font size can be used to change icon color and size. Furthermore, they have got documentation on its usage. Then we have got material symbols. Now we will comment these CSS files and these icons. Select the icon and here we've got few options. One way to use material symbols is by using static icon font. In this case, we will link CSS and use HTML code to display the icon, but I will recommend using variable icon font. This is second way and it is better and more flexible. But let's see what is material symbols first. Material symbols are newest icons containing over 2500 symbols in a single font file with a wide range of design variants. Symbols are available in three styles of outlined, rounded, and sharp, and four adjustable variable font styles of fill, weight, grade, and optical size. Here we have to make a choice for CSS file. CSS file that will be linked will determine icon style like outlined, rounded, or sharp. And fill, weight, grade, and optical size. This is the customization that we can do. To use this symbol, click at any symbol. And by the way, we can also download this symbol in SVG or PNG format. Okay, let's use variable icon font. Variable icon font has got one font file containing all variants of icons. Select style, click at the icon, copy CSS file to link. We picked material symbols outlined version and then use this icon code. I will copy another line as well. Settings and toggle on. Then copy this CSS code as well. Here we have these icons. We can adjust fill, icon weight, and other properties as well. Like if we change fill to 1, now these are filled. If we change WGHT to 100, symbols changed. Fill 0, here you see the difference. Weight 400, weight 800. So this is how you can change these icons with this font variation settings property. This is property name and this is value containing multiple values. And if we want to use icon by using before or after pseudo class, we can also do so. So here is some content with class icon, icon position relative, icon after, position absolute, font family material symbols outlined. that is here. And then for the content, after symbol selection, pick the code from here, code point, and use it as a value for content property with this backslash. And here we have got it. So this is how we can use variable font icons or variable icon font for material symbols. And if concept of variable icon font or font variation settings is new to you, have a look at MDN resources like font variation settings or variable font guide, font variation settings. And variable fonts guide. To better understand font variation settings CSS property. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.